guys, I'm here to discuss to you the rewriting expressions with rational exponents to radicals and vice versa. Rational exponent to radicals. Any rational exponents in the form a raised to m over n can be written using a radical expression in the form of n root of a raised to m. N root of a raised to m, let us know what are the parts of the radicals. So n is called the index. This sign called the radical sign. M called the exponent of radicand. And a is called the radicand. So that's are the parts of a radical expression. So here are the examples of how can we write rational exponent to radical expression. Number 1, 25 raised to 1 half can be written as square root of 25. If no index appears in a radical, it is understood that the index is 2. Next, 64 raised to 1/3 can be written as cube root of 64. Our index is 3 and our radicand is 64. Number 3, 8 raised to 1 over 7. So 7th root of 8. 7 is our index and 8 is the radicand. Number 4, 2 raised to 2/3 written as cube root of 2 squared. 3 is the index and 2 is the exponent of the radicand and 2 is the radicand. Next example, number 5. A raised to 1 half is square root of a. Again, if no index appears in a radical, it is understood that the index is 2. Number 6, 5p raised to 1/3, write as 5 cube root of p. Okay. Number 7, 8x quantity raised to 1 over 7, written as 7 root of 8x. Number 8, 2y quantity raised to 2 over 3, written as cube root of 2y quantity squared. Okay, we are now in example number 9. A raised to the negative 1 half. First, you will write as the reciprocal. So 1 over a raised to 1 half. And in radical expression, become 1 over square root of a. Number 2, negative 5p raised to 1/3. And we can write that as negative 5 cube root of p. Next is 8x raised to the negative 2 over 7. So the reciprocal. So 8 is in the numerator over x raised to 2 over 7. And in radical expression become 8 over 7 root of x squared. And number 12. 2y quantity raised to negative 2/3. So first, get the reciprocal. So we have 1 over 2y quantity raised to 2/3. So it become positive now. And in radical expression become 1 over cube root of 2y quantity squared. It's only written, not simplifying. So that this one, we cannot simplify because it's only written. So now, examples of how do we write Radical expression to rational exponent. Number 1, square root of 5. We write that as 5 raised to 1 half. Number 2, negative 5 cube root of b. In rational, we have negative 5b raised to 1/3. Number 3, 7 root of 3x quantity raised to 5. We write as 3x quantity raised to 5 over 7. Your denominator is your index and your numerator is the exponent of radicand. Number 4, fifth root of 5, a cubed, b squared, can be written as 5 raised to 1/5, a raised to 3/5, and b raised to 2/5. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you will learn a lot. Bye.